This video is for you if you're scared refinancing will hurt your credit score.
In the short term, yes, your score might dip 5, 10 points temporarily when we pull your credit. But here's the context. First, we only pull credit once we're during the application, and certainly not multiple times. Second, any small dip recovers within a month or two, especially once you start making on-time payments on the new loan. Third, long-term refinancing can actually improve your credit because you're paying less debt over time. And you're showing a strong payment history. Think of it this way. Would you skip saving $500 a month because your credit score might temporarily dip 10 points? That makes no financial sense. Credit scores are a tool, not trophies. They exist to help you access better financial products, like lower interest rates. If a tiny
If you've been confused about the difference between a rate and term refinance and a cash-out refinance, then this video is for you.
simple distinction, rate and term refinance means you're keeping the same loan amount that you have now. You're just changing the interest rate or sometimes the term of the loan. So if you owe $250,000, you're refinancing $250,000, just simply with better terms. You're not taking any equity out of your property. This is what most people do when rates drop or they have the opportunity to eliminate mortgage insurance. A cash out refinance means you're borrowing more than what you owe and taking the difference in cash. So you owe $250,000, but you refinance for $300,000 and you get $50,000 in cash, usually to pay off debt, do some renovations, invest. Same process, just different purpose. Rate and term is optimizing what you already have. Cash out is about accessing your equity for other financial goals. Both are very powerful tools, and which one makes sense depends on what you're looking to accomplish. Let's go ahead and schedule an appointment, and we'll figure out what works best for you.
If you've got low credit, then this video is for you. Can you qualify for a mortgage if your credit score is under 600?
It depends on how not great we're talking about, but most times, yes. Most lenders want to see a credit score at least above a 640 or a 660. But here at Onyx, we have programs that will go as low as a 500. What's most important? One, that you're paying your mortgage on time. And what we'll do is we're going to pay off all of the debt that may be delinquent or collections. And then what happens? That credit score that was a 520 or a 540 within 6 months is now going to be a 640 or sometimes even a 700. What do we do then? Now you're going to qualify for an even better rate. And so we look at this as a two-step process. We solve the problems that you have on credit now, put you in a better financial situation, and then in the near future, you can take advantage of the best possible rates. It might be a two-step process, but we're going to get you there and we'll get you the best terms eventually.
All right, guys, if you've been hearing rates have dropped everywhere, then this video is for you. Is now actually the right time to refinance? Or is it just hype? Let's get into it.
The right time is when the numbers make sense. And right now, for a lot of people, they do. Here's my rule of thumb. If you can drop your rate enough to save $150 to $200 a month, it's worth exploring. And also, if you're paying private mortgage insurance and your home value has gone up, it's also worth exploring. If you're planning on staying in your house at least 2 to 3 more years, again, it's worth exploring. The mistake people make is waiting for the perfect time. They think maybe rates will drop more, or maybe next year. Meanwhile, they're losing hundreds of dollars a month. Over 25 years in this business, I've learned the best time to refinance is when the opportunity is right in front of you. So don't wait for perfect. Take advantage of better. Call me. Let me run your numbers. If refinancing makes sense, we do it. If it doesn't, I'll tell you straight up. But at least you'll know instead of guessing.
All right, guys, if you've heard rates have dropped, but no one's actually looked at your documents, this video is for you. Let's get into it.
The first step is simple. Call me. Seriously, that's it. We'll have a 15-minute conversation where I ask you about your current mortgage, your current interest rate, your balance, what your payment looks like, if you have mortgage insurance. I'll ask about the home current value, your financial goals. Then I'll run the numbers for you right there. I'll tell you, yes, refinancing saves you X dollars per month, and here's how. Or No, refinancing doesn't make sense for you right now, and here's why. No commitment, no pressure, just real answers. If the numbers work, we'll move forward, and I'll send you a list of documents to put together, and we'll get the process started. If they don't work, at least you know and you're not wondering. Too many people spend months or even years wondering if, should I refinance? 15 minutes with me and you'll have clarity. I'm Kevin Kennedy Brandt. I've been doing this for 25 years, and I treat every client like family. So make the call today. Let's see what's possible for you.